Everybody, it is Monday morning already, 3:50 a.m. Eastern Time on July 18th. I apologize for not having gotten a video out on Sunday. I had a fire on the breaker for my new installed air conditioner because the 4 horsepower was too strong for the 30 amp fuse, and we wound up blowing the breaker. There was a fire outside yesterday. The fire department was here, and it was just absolute chaos. And again, anyway, I apologize. I'm going to make this really, really quick. I'm going to run through this. I again apologize. So here we go. Go back through last week. Go through your videos there on last week, Monday. Go through your emails, setting up for that Pepsi trade. Go through your Monday, your watch. Go through your Tuesday, or the Monday when we had that flip, the 295 calls over there on the QQQ. Go back into your Tuesday watch, go into your Wednesday watch. Go through these, go through every one of them, all of them that you want to go through, and you're going to wind up seeing that every single trade setup that you had that was given to you prior to the open were all nothing but wins. The trades, the QQQ, both of them were 50% flips. You're still going to get a little bit more over these on these July 29th because we're already up at 295. Thursday, again, incredible support. Everything worked out. On Thursday, that was the only thing that didn't happen was the 4 red closes. And what happened? We missed it by 5 points. 5 points, we missed it by going green. A massive recovery. And then on Friday, you had that big gap, 50 or basically 45 minutes before the opening bell. That big shove upwards, and the whole expectation was for the trade where we were going to be able to get a great payment, wound up to be a little payment. And I got messages from people that still took the 37.90, 37.95 trade and made a fortune because they traded it right. I had other messages from guys that took the trade well up and above the expected levels at the 38.80s, 38.90s, got great payments. And everybody that wanted to sit there and trade that little middle right there, you got it right there 5 minutes before the close, got that little bit of a dip, and then you got that ramp up in your face. And, that's why we posted there in the alert room, they can ramp this, they can ramp this, they can ramp this. Now here, I sent out, go ahead and take some July 20, 380 puts. These are for Wednesday of this week. If you want anything to hold over the weekend, obviously these have not worked out yet, and they're not expected to work out yet. And right now, as you're about to see that I'm going to show you, we are still going to where we're supposed to be going to. We closed here at 38.63 on Friday. We opened at 38.81. So, therefore, we had a red week. We only dropped 159 points total for the week from the high of the week to the low of the week. High of the week was the open on Monday, and the low of the week came there on Thursday after that CPI report, which was the best buy the dip that you could ever expect. 100 points over there in the course of 150 points over there in the course of a day and a half, closed back up above the bear market line. And as we go into this week, you do have a little bit of data, not much. Today, we've just got a little bit of housing data, some 3-month bills, nothing really out there for today. For this week, go out into the filters, go back here again. Oh, yeah, I got it. Yep. Boom, boom, boom. For this week, you got really nothing today, nothing at all on Monday. Tuesday, tomorrow, little bit over there, little bit with the CPI over there in Europe. We got some building permits, but then on Wednesday, you do have the CPI for the UK, you have the CPI for Canada, we've got existing home sales, and then on Thursday, we got the Europe ECB interest rate decision where they're going to be raising interest rates on Thursday. Nothing really on the cards, and you have absolutely no Fed speakers because we got the Fed meeting next week. So again, still looking at where we're at. We haven't done much, but we've got that big gap that we had there on Thursday, Friday. So obviously that is an expected dip as we go in here to Tuesday. But because we have this gap up that we're having right now over the weekend, we're going to be looking at that as our main level. So we shouldn't get anything lower than 38.38 as we go into the rest of this week, which is still going to continue to be a bullish view. The NDX, as you can see here, the NDX looking fantastic, flagging out. No bullishness, no bearishness other than this triple top. And we're right back at that triple top right here, right now. We're at that triple top area, QQQ 295 as we're getting ready to go into the open. Over here on the Dow Jones, I want to again stress The Dow Jones never dropped below 20% from its all-time high. It never, ever dropped below it. So all of these people out there trying to sell you on buying, all the canned goods that you can get, stocking up on rice, the Dow Jones never dropped below 20%. The NASDAQ corrected. The Russell 2000, all of those shitty companies and all of those meme stocks, yeah, they corrected too, but you are not in a recession. Here we are on the Russell, same thing, flagging out after that big bottom that you had there in June. Nothing really spectacular, nothing eventful, other than look at your massive support that you've got over here. So come over onto the VIX. And again, here we are on the VIX. VIX drop, VIX drop, VIX drop. You had your drop, you had your big spike. Now we've got this drop down here and we're coming close to 2371. But as we have gone over here into the weekend, even though we are up on the weekend, we're up now 32 points, 0.83% on the ES, and the VIX is higher than it closed over here on Friday. That is telling you Tuesday is tomorrow. Tuesday is your dip day. Tuesday, you're getting a dip, and Tuesday is the day after today. So Tesla going to be reporting this week. Again, I apologize. I've apologized many times in the past for having too much detail on the charts, but I'm giving you a wide view so that you can see where you are. When I trade, I'm zoomed in, so I'm only seeing this area right here, which is why we've been trading Tesla so well. Wider view, here you go. I see this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. And what we're going to now do is be in a very slow recovery to the upside, where the breakout for me begins once we start printing the 800s on Tesla and we stay no lower than 800. We got Netflix reporting this week as well. And again, bringing this into you with a wide view to show you, you're down here at 2018 lows. Right here at the beginning of 2018, that's where we're at. So, Netflix, no downside. I don't see any downside coming on Netflix whatsoever. Anything that drops down below this 180 level should be bought. And come in here again on a wide view. Again, wide view, as you see there, the exact same time frame as Netflix. Here's your Google, which is going to be splitting today. And Google right now is trading at 112. Thank you very much for not moving any of these lines. And I will have to manually move all of these lines because Thinkorswim doesn't do it. So anyway, guys, again, that's what you got. That's everything. And I'm going to bring you in here really, really quick and show you, even though I know most of you don't have time to be able to watch this video. Here is the S&P futures right now. You are extended, embedded, overbought, extended, embedded, overbought, extended, embedded, overbought. And on the Russell, we are extended, embedded, overbought. Here's the 50-day moving average right up here at 33.30. So again, I will throw out the trade for you, but I'll tell you right now, in case you do have time to watch this video before the market opens, I'm going to be looking at selling the 39.40 or 39.30 S&P calls and buying the 39.35 the 39.45 or the 39.55 S&P calls, and looking to basically say that this will not go above 39.25 today and be able to take advantage of that. And again, in case you didn't know, this is earnings right here, and we are going into it today. IBM, tomorrow Netflix, Wednesday Tesla, on Thursday Snap, Nokia, AT&T. They don't mean anything, but next week is the big week. Next week is the big week, and again, I look for a dip, a nice, strong, healthy dip Monday, Tuesday of this week that we can buy and ride all the way into the FOMC meeting, into all of these tech earnings next week. Apologize, guys, for getting it out late, but I will see you in the chat room.